Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post a lot of beauty related content, and in this video we have a monthly haul. Now I haven't included my Colourpop stuff because you know I like to do a separate haul for that, and then I looked at my Revolution stuff and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to do a separate haul for that. Alex Kate has literally just done a separate haul for her Revolution stuff, and I was just looking at mine thinking, wow. And I've literally just made an order that should be coming tomorrow, so once that comes in I will be doing a Revolution haul, and I'm quite excited because I've got some really nice bits there. But we're going to talk about everything that isn't Revolution or Colourpop, and I didn't think I'd have a lot, but I kind of do. So I did buy stuff off of Alex's patrons that are either Obsession or XX, and I'm just going to include them in this, but everything else should be going into my big basket of Revolution. So we're going to start off with my absolute favorite thing of the month. This is the Beauty Bay New Romantic palette. I use this for my Valentine's not get ready with me, but like my Valentine's collab with Alex's patrons, and this was such a good palette. I love the color story. I wasn't even gonna buy this until I saw Alex use it on her channel, and then I thought, do you know what, it is a really bit of me palette. I think it was £15, but it's such a stunning palette, and I really gravitate towards like the neutral areas and like the middle row. Top row not so much, but the rest of it I really do love, and I really like this palette. The black was really hard to blend, but it might have been me because I packed on too much, but I must admit, if you haven't got this, go and get it. Some of this stuff I've already forgotten who I've bought it off, so I'm so sorry. I do know that I bought these off of Alex. Now she bought the whole collection on Beauty Bay for like £35, I'd say. So she was selling her ones, and I thought, you know what, I haven't got any Norvina stuff, so I got this one. This is volume 1. This is completely untouched and it's so gorgeous. It's literally got 2 shimmers in there and the rest are mattes. This is a bit of me. Pink, purple, absolutely love it. If you want me to test it out, let me know. The packaging is really stunning because it kind of closes magnetically, like it's not gonna break or anything. It's very lightweighted, and I do love the front of it. It's like the most high-end. Actually, I've got one more high-end thing in here, but the rest is all affordable. And then I got volume 2. So I think I just need volume 3 now. Green did come smashed for her, so she had to repress it, but I don't really mind. It's not like I'm going to get through a whole eyeshadow palette, and this is definitely the more colourful sunset kind of vibe. And then there's this nice brown in there, so you can really deepen it up. And I really can't remember how much I bought them for. Oh yeah, and one more thing. They're magnetic, so look at that. That's something that I got happy about. So me and Lou Stevenson did a little swapsy. She had this e.l.f. liquid sheer matte liquid lipstick in the shade Praline Petal that she didn't want, and she said she'll send for me for a little swap. So I gave her, oh, was it the Monica gloss? I want to say it was the Monica gloss and lipstick, or the Rachel gloss and lipstick. I really can't remember what I gave her. And so she also sent me in this Day to Night lipstick in Nude. Now I already got this in my order with e.l.f. when they came out with the mint collection, so this is going to go into my giveaway pile. I've already asked Luce and she said no, that's fine, I can put it in my giveaway pile because I absolutely love this, and I think one of you guys will definitely love this. Then my lovely friend Carly did something amazing. So I think it was Drew, or really can't remember who was decluttering these. I want to say Drew. She was decluttering these and she bought them straight away. She snatched them up and I was like, oh damn. What I didn't realise is she snatched them up for me, which I'm incredibly so happy about because you know how much I love Primark. So these were their new palettes before they went into lockdown. So we've got the Berry Brights and we've got the Nuditude eyeshadow palettes. These are their £9 shadows. And this is what the berry one looks like. It's definitely a bit of me. You've got like so many mattes and then 4 shimmers, so it's gorgeous, and they're only £3. And the Nuditude one has 2 shimmers in there and the rest, no, 3, and the rest are mattes. And there's a lot of nude cool tone shades in there with that like one warm shade in the middle. Definitely a shadow palette that I definitely will reach for. And then I'm just gonna swatch. Oh, it definitely feels like they've improved their formula with these £9 palettes. That is one of the shimmers at the bottom there. It's really gorgeous. Then my lovely friend Jess, if you don't know who she is, I've been doing a lot of collabs with her here on YouTube. She asked me if I would like this Feels Like Honeymoon Skin Base by Touch in Soul. She said that she didn't use it, she didn't like it, and she knows how much I love a dewy primer, so I'm definitely going to pull it with my other dewy primers and probably do a little test with NYX, because it literally looks so similar. The formula's the same, it smells the same, so I'm definitely going to do like a half and half with them. I'm literally going to be doing like, I feel like a whole, I'm not sure when it will happen, but like a primer contest out of all my like honey kind of primers. Definitely going to do that at some point. And then she also gave me one of these Beauty Bakery Flower Better Not Bitter in yellow. She knows that I really liked the Barry M one, so she wanted me to try this out, and she's so lovely about it. But this is what it looks like. It's definitely a very more yellow tone, which I do have a more yellow undertone to my skin, but it's not like really bright yellow. Because I'm pale, this will be perfect. Thank you, Jess. And another little thing she stuck in there was a little sample, and I've smelt it and it smells so good. I need this alien perfume. It is by Mugler, and yeah, I wish you guys could smell it because it smells insane. Another one of Alex's Patreons had this W7 24K Priceless Primer Serum she was selling, so obviously I had to buy it. Again, doesn't smell like the Honey Dew Me Up, it doesn't smell like anything. It's got the gold flakes in it though. Definitely want to see if it's a dupe for the Honey Dew Me Up. You know I really love that stuff, so we've got 2 more primers to add to that collection. Then from Jill I got a XX blush because I am trying to collect these. This is in the shade Vision. It's a definite dark mauvey pink shade. It's stunning. It's a little bit of shimmer in there, but it's definitely like a berry tone that I would reach for. It's such a stunning shade. I feel like half of this month's buy is from Declutters. Literally. This is my other high-end little palette that I bought. This was from Bryony. She actually has a YouTube channel here, so I'll try and remember to link her. I'm part of her Patreon group, and I think she sold this for £10–11 all in. It is the Ruby Obsession palette, and you know I'm trying to collect these. Whether or not I use them is another story, but I really want to collect all of them. I think I've got a couple more to get. I want to get like this, I think I've got the lavender one, like the khaki ones, but definitely want to get more of these. I'm so sorry to Alex's Patreons because I really can't remember who I bought what off of. I'm so sorry, but if you're watching my videos, please comment below what I did buy off of you, because I keep saying Drew, but I don't think I bought everything from Drew. So I know I bought some stuff from Amy. I think I'm buying something from Kerry. I really can't remember, I'm telling you. But then I bought all of these eyeshadow palettes that come in the Obsession Christmas gift sets, I think. The first one is Bougie, and this is what it looks like. It's literally an all shimmer palette, but the packaging is stunning on it, and I love Obsession. Their pigmentation, their quality is insane. When I first started playing with Obsession, I don't know why people didn't talk about them more often, because they're such a good brand. The next one I have is very reflective. This is Vibin'. It's really going to throw my camera off. This is what it looks like. It's a very more neutral eyeshadow palette, and I love these shades here. That is like a lovely gold mustardy shade. There's a lot of shimmers in here, like there's only 3 mattes, but it is a lovely palette that I would gravitate towards. Then we've got Summer Vibes. Again, this is definitely more warm tone, definitely up my street. I am a very berry tone type person, but this has literally got 8 mattes and 1 shimmer and a little mirror as well, so I cannot wait to play with this. I think this would be one of my favourite ones to play with so far. Next we have Hot and Bothered. This is a face palette, and it's got like 2 bronzery tones, a shimmery blush and a highlight. And this highlight, oh my god guys, it's like a pink undertone to it, but oh, it is so thick and so gorgeous. I cannot wait to start playing with that palette too. Then we've got Glossy Vibes, and this is another like lavender type palette. This is really nice, again very heavy on the mattes. The middle shade and that shade there are the only two mattes, sorry, heavily shimmers, so it's a bit annoying when they do stuff like that, but I'm a collector, so this is what I wanted to collect. We are down to my last items. This is crazy. These are the W7 lipsticks that I bought the whole range and I did a whole tutorial on. I love these lipsticks. They're so creamy, they're really nice. They dry down a little bit to like a matte formula. They're gorgeous. So you have like so many different shades. We've got Exposed, which I think is really one of the lighter shades, but it's like something similar to what I'm wearing. I'm actually wearing the Primark Lipstick by Clueless. I think it's the pink one. Yes, it's the pink one. Hopefully when Primark open, these Clueless lipsticks will still be there. And then I added the Gloss in Slipper by Beauty Bay. Beauty Bay glosses are so thin, the formula, but they're so glossy and juicy. Another one I really liked was Heartache. Heartache's a really nice bright pink. Definitely a summer colour, like look at that. These were only £4.95, but I had a 10% discount, so it was so good. What else have we got? Oh, House Red is a really nice shade. I like this shade. Look at that. I literally swatched and tried on every single shade in my video, which I'll try and remember to link down below. So when I edit, I'll have a note section of what to link down below. But yeah, that was everything I bought for the month of February. Crazy, right? Like half of this is from people in Declutters, and that's because I've been focusing on Colourpop lately, and I have bought a bit from Revolution, but thank God for ClearPay, because that is the only reason I have a huge haul from Revolution, otherwise I wouldn't have. Once it comes in tomorrow, we will have a little Revolution haul. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Please smash this a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.